Alright, another day in the garage, making quite a mess. But yeah, I went to Lowe's and I got some new attachments. So, got this wire thing for a grinder, and we got the big boy steel braids. So, that'll make a little bit more quick work of this whole project. So, yeah, alright. I'm gonna set the camera up again. We're gonna get back to work sanding the frame here. Just see what this is all looking like, and then we'll flip it over, do the other side. We might even start to look at this. That's not fun. So I'm probably gonna find a lot of rust here, and then I'll have to probably weld in some stuff. I mean, it's bumpy, so. Alright, let's get to it. I will say that using this this grinder wheel is definitely helping. Woo! Smoky. Alright, I'm gonna keep this on, so hopefully you can hear me. It's a little smoky in here. Alright. So it looks like the door is in pretty good shape. We've got some pitting right here. Just some stuff that's separating, I can fix that. But overall, this door is looking pretty good. So both sides are now sanded. And yeah, I think I'm gonna look into getting some primer. And you know, oh, I'm also gonna take this stuff apart too, but not tonight. Too tired from doing all that. Another short one, but again, I'm trying to recover from this backlog of content. Next video, we're gonna probably take a look at some of this too, and see how bad the rust is and what I'm gonna have to do on that section. Alright, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.